Gonna pop some tags. Only got $20 in my pockets. I'm looking for a come up. This is awesome. Nah. Walk up to the club like, what up? I got a big. I'm so pumped about some from the thrift shop. Ice on the fridge. It's so frosty that people like. That's cold. Rolling in deep, heading to the mezzanine, dressed in all pink, except my gator shoes. Those are green. Draped in a leopard mink, girls standing next to me. Probably should have washed this. Smells like R. Kelly sheets. But it was 99 cents. Copping it, washing it, about to go and get some compliments. Passed up on those moccasins. Someone else has been walking in. Bummy and grungy, it man. I am stunting and flossing and saving my money, and I'm happy. That's a bargain. I'ma take a grandpa style. I'ma take a grandpa style. No, for real. Ask your grandpa, can I have his hand-me-downs? This is awesome.